have something to confess to you. I haven't been entirely honest with you about what we're doing today. So one of the conditions that we're going down is that we have to try and catch someone with these.
Oh my god. I reckon we could.
I reckon we could too. We've got silver and gold.
I reckon we could. Hilarious. Where'd you get them?
I seen them on Amazon and I was like, I reckon that'll work. Ah! Tried straight in it. Yeah. If I throw something, it was just going to come back and smash me in the face.
He kept smashing against the jetty over there. I was like, oh no, we're not getting in.
Considering what I was up against that day, I feel like I made it work pretty good. It's a lot harder than you think, especially when you're the only one with the licenses. Oh my god.
What?
It was like literally sitting on it. It wasn't on at all, it was just sitting on it. So that should be okay like that now. That was so close to coming off. See, this is the difference, Bryce, between fishing and hunting. And this is why I say I'd rather hunt in this shit than fish in it. Because you know what? You're always moving when it's hunting.
Holy shit, look at the jetty there. The jetty sunk.
Oh yeah, it's like collapsed a bit.
Massive bowl in it.
You gonna go straight for it, are you?
I don't know.
I think I am. I'm gonna try to get the hard one out of the way.
You're funny.
It was nice of someone to leave a measuring thing down here.
I think that got glued to it.
Yeah, it is glued to it. Hey, look, the big fuck stingray.
Holy shit. That's a dinosaur.
That's a thick ass boy. Well, if he's around, we're not gonna catch shit because he's vacuumed it all up.
Yeah, thankfully he stays on bottom of it.
Look at the size of him. He's about as big as the bonnet on the Jeep easily.
Part of me wishes they weren't treble hooks, but
I don't mind dealing with single trebles. It's when you got duals I always take one off because it's just not worth the hassle.
oh yeah, they didn't want someone getting into this. Hey.
No wonder the turtles.
Protective wrapper off and it's still protected.
No wonder the turtles get wrapped up in them. I can't even get out.
Just giving me dick claw, man.
Get your dick out. Oh yeah, they fly alright.
Yeah, that's irritating.
Really would have went alright. You know what? They actually swim alright.
What?
They actually have a decent motion. Like, it's nothing erratic, but it's enough. It's not so bad when you get your back to that wind, but when you face into it, god damn, it's cold. Yep, nah, strictly back to the wind. Urgh. Oh mate's over here doing, but it looks like he's sitting in a wheelbarrow, a giant wheelbarrow. Oh, he's trying to sail. He's doing that abseiling thing or whatever they call it.
What a horrid day to come do that.
Let him go.
What?
Oh mate, on his sail. Shit off. Look at the waves hitting those rocks over there. That's high. If I can see that from here, and it looks like it's about 10 feet in the air, it must be pretty high. Oh yeah. What's going on here? This one's about to go. That one's gone. I'm gonna break my neck. I think this place is like Craigbourne. The fish are only here when I'm not. I would have been better off bringing me rifle and shooting the f***ing fish. Probably have about as much chance. So you want the bad news? How upset would you be if I locked my keys in the car? Huh? How upset would you be if I locked my keys?
Open the door up.
You just got no sense of adventure, that's what it really is.
Last time I got dragged out here, I slipped and broke my anus on a rock. Now you've got me out here fishing with in the rain.
At least you... Hey, it could be worse. We could be out here fishing without makes me laugh. Like, I'm glad I'm not at the stage where I have to be 100% self-sufficient, because I'd be anorexic if that was the case. I haven't shot nothing for ages. I haven't caught nothing for ages.
Actually killing blood from the shoulders off.
Yeah, I keep on seeing that stupid ad where it's like Tasmania's the place to be. Someone should tell the animals that, because I ain't seen them. I don't even think it would have mattered if I'd have put Burley in the water, because it would have ended up in New Zealand anyway.
I only think you would have got to eat the shrimp, I reckon.
I would have been better off buying the bait and eating that.
That pilchards in a f***ing bag.
Yeah, pretty much, just like snacking on them. Bit of Burley, the cheapest, nastiest, smelliest cat food I could find. I even deliberately picked out the quote-unquote seafood cocktail.
Must be a funny guy,
Well, I'm taking my rubbish with me, which is more than half of them down here do, so I don't see the issue. Yep, that smells like shit, alright. Oh yeah, got a job to get down the can. See how we go. You know, it'd be nice for me to be able to do one thing where some bullshit don't happen. So I'm hoping not. But we'll see how we go. Oh yeah, you can see the oil all going through the water. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at the little skate down there, Bryce. See him? Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was a flounder.
It could be. It looks
like a big ass
It looks like it's got a tail to me though.
Yeah, no, it is a baby skate. Oh.
Or a ray, one of the two. Go on. Nice. Oh, he busted you.
Oh, I see it flashing around. Look at that. Holy shit, that's big. Yeah, holy fuck. I think you might have just lost a pretty fucking big fish. Holy shit. That thing is hungry. What even happened? He lost it.
What do you reckon, Bryce? Try a fucking trout set up here. What's the worst that can happen? Can't catch anything less than 0. I'm gonna catch a negative fish. We're gonna go into fish debt. I'll owe the ocean 1 fish.
Oh, I just didn't react.
So the thing, they're here, it's just convincing them to eat anything. They're just not hungry.
Oh, one just busted up over there.
Where's out there? Be more specific. Be more specific, man. Jesus. I never catch anything on soft plastics. I'll be very surprised if I do. You watch first cast now, because I've said I don't catch nothing on soft plastics. And I'll catch one. Like I said, I just want to get on the board at this point. We're going to have a mild concussion now. Ooh, I'm on. Bryce.
Yeah, he's in front of me too. I just climb up on a big stick.
Here I was just saying I don't catch anything ever on soft plastics, and that's what ended up finally doing it. It's not impressed. I must have foul hooked him or something. The way he's fighting, he doesn't look big enough to be able to put up that kind of a fight. Yeah, I did foul hook him.
Elena, look though.
Do you know what the legal limit is this year, Bryce? It is not. Oh yeah, it is. 20. He'd go well over 20. Surely it's higher than that. That's too low. Can you do me a favour, Taylor? Run up and grab the bucket out of the back of the thing. Yeah, I did foul hook him. Yeah, it's in the boot.
Yeah, you would have swiped at it before.
I've got him in the gill plate somehow.
Yeah, you would have swiped at it.
Well, there you go. I was just saying I don't catch nothing on soft plastics. This isn't even a fresh saltwater setup. It's one of my
Like 7 or 8.
trout ones.
So there's still heaps here.
I'm gonna be careful. I want to be careful and make sure he's legal size. Surely they got to be bigger than 20.
I'm pretty sure they were 20 last year.
Yeah, I think they were too, but I just want to be extra sure because 20 seems too low. Like, you rarely ever catch one that small. Yeah, 20 centimetres.
Yeah.
There you go. And he'll go well over that. We'll go from the fork. Yeah, he's 26 from the fork. Well, sorry my friend, but you are going to be eaten. Yeah, it's a stingray.
There's a fish there too.
Is there?
Look.
Oh, there's a pufferfish, or toadfish. All the fish are coming in. He's going to steal me. Just chuck it on the ground, thank you.
Hard to remove that belly pot.
Yeah, they're gonna come steal me burley pot.
Oh, fuck.
You stay away from my burley pot. It's not for you. He's lost his tail. Yep. He's got no tail on him at all. Someone's either caught him cut off or he's busted it off in some unfortunate person.
Me back fucking didn't go well for them. We've been hunting here 53 years, yeah, 53 years